Attend HRM has a quick and easy installation process which takes less than a minute. The video describes how you can download and install Attend HRM, Professional, Standard or Lite. All these versions have the same installation process. Step 1. Choose the appropriate version of Attend HRM from www.lenvica.com to download. Step 2. Once you submit the download form, you should receive an email with the download links. If you haven't received the email with download links, write to support@lenvica.com. Step 3. Download and install the setup file. Step 4. Go through the setup wizard and choose appropriate options. The installation is complete. Step 5. Log in to Attend HRM. The default username is admin, and the password is admin. The demo database is selected by default, but after your evaluation with a demo database, you can switch to live database to key in your own data. Now, let me log in to the demo version. When you purchase Attend HRM, you will receive an activation key. Apply the key to convert Attend HRM to the purchased version. No need to reinstall. Attend HRM allows you to upgrade to any other version without losing data. You can upgrade your Attend HRM Lite version to Standard, Professional, Enterprise or Cloud.